Okay, Ishai, a few months ago we looked at this problem and now we want to look at it again, so help me out. If this is 45, how much is each of these figures?
15.
Okay, would you place a 15 on one of those or on each of them? Okay, let's go down. How much is this figure here?
15.
15, because it's the same as the one above. And what would be the value of these bananas?
4.
How do you know?
Because 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 8 plus 15 equals 23.
Okay, place a 4 on each of those bananas.
Plus it looks like there's 4 bananas.
And it looks like it's 4 bananas. Okay, good. So now, let's go to the next row. What value do you assign to that set of bananas?
4.
Okay, and what do you assign to each of those clocks?
3.
Okay, how do you get 3?
Because 4 plus 4 minus 10 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3.
Okay, so place a 3 next to each of those clocks. Okay, so now we need to look at the last row. So why don't we begin with the bananas here? What value do you want to give to that set of bananas in the last row? 3. Okay, why put a 3 there. And how did you get 3?
Because there's 3 bananas, and over here there's 4 bananas.
So when you had 4 bananas, the value was 4. So now that you have 3 bananas, the value would be 3. Okay, now this figure has a value of 15. What do you want to give this figure?
10.
Okay, why 10?
Because they took out a middle square, and there's another, they took out a third. So a third of 15 is 5. So
okay, so you want to give each figure the same value. Okay, that's one approach. The other approach is this. How many sides are there in this original figure? If you count all the line segments, how many are there?
15.
15. How many there on the one on the outside?
6.
And the next one?
5.
And the next one?
4.
So that's 15. So this one is missing the square of 4. So what value would you...
11.
Okay, let's give it 11. Okay, good. So we notice that when we have 4 bananas, we have the value of 4. 3 bananas, the value of 3. 3 bananas, the value of 3. 15 sides, the value of 15. 11 sides, the value of 11. The question now is, what value shall we give this clock here?
2.
Okay, why 2?
Because over here the clock is pointing at 3 exactly, and over here it's at 2 exactly.
But why are we assuming that the time on the clock makes a difference? Why do you think that the time of the clock makes a difference?
Because over here the time of clock matches the value of the number.
Well, maybe it matches the value just by accident. When we went from 4 to 3 for the bananas, it's because we had fewer bananas, we had fewer parts. When we went from 15 to 11, is because we had fewer parts. Look at these 2 clocks. Are the number of parts different in all of them, or just it's the same parts in a different direction?
Same parts in different
For what value would you give this clock then?
3.
You would give a value of 3. Why is that?
Because they have the same amount of parts.
The same number of parts. Okay, put a 3 over here. And let's now evaluate this last row. Remember, this is addition, this is addition, this is multiplication. So what do you do first? Order of operations.
3 times 11, which is 33.
Mm-hmm.
33 plus 3 is 36.
Uh-huh.
Plus 3 is 39.
Okay. Okay, good.